Hey y'all, good morning, good day, whenever you're looking at this vlog, but it's early. Oh man, trying to get some coffee into me. Not a big coffee drinker at all, but I've been trying it just to give me a little fresh wake up. I usually can just go and I'll do an energy drink, but I've been trying this coffee thing out. My wife is a big coffee drinker. But yeah, up pretty early. I'm about to crack the whip with my kiddos. They've been doing an awesome job helping me. So I'm just I don't know just how to describe me. Busybody, just workaholic. People may describe all of that, but I do really try to have balance in work life. I really do. It's just, some people are just made with their DNA of they just like to be busy. And it's not anything unusual to my family. It's my dad's the same way. My uncles are the same way. My aunt the same way on my dad's side. They are just a bunch of kind of hustlers and just grinders, man. Like my dad's still to this day. He's in his 60s and he just got to be moving, just like can't sit still. And I'm kind of the same way. So I've learned over the years though that try to, especially with work, to try to keep work at work, home at home. But sometimes now we're starting this brand and business, it kind of meshes a lot more. But still just trying to take time to make sure I'm taking care of home and also taking care of all of this stuff where real men get done in the brand. So up this morning trying to get me a cup of coffee. Hold on a second, go grab me some creamer. So yeah, up this morning early because last night we again taking care of home. I had on my to-do list for a while this summer actually to paint our home, and I looked and saw how much painters cost, and I'm big, if you see the channel, I'm big on doing stuff myself. So I made the past yesterday, we just grinded it out to get a lot of stuff done. So we not only painted, we prepped the day before and cleaned all the baseboards and walls. The next day, which was yesterday, we painted, and we're going to do some touch up today so we can make sure we clean up the house hopefully before my wife wakes up. Because again, you just want the house to be clean and taken care of before she gets up. And then I also did my son's room, so I deep cleaned his carpet, and I'll probably have him clean his walls today too. Using some scrub erasers and just getting some. He got so much nicks on his wall. My kids, I have no idea what the heck they be doing inside their rooms. But yeah, that was just my goal, just to grind it out. So I was cracking the whip on my kiddos just to have them help. But which they've been a big help, and I'm giving them, gave them snacks and paid them and all that good stuff, just kind of incentivize them helping versus just to making them help. But they've done an awesome job just helping dad try to get everything done. And it was something that I've been trying to do for since this summer. So I'm really happy with the results. The house is looking really good. As I said, we just had to do some touching up, hitting some small areas, and we should be good. But let this coffee brew. I'll take y'all around just to let y'all see what we've been working on. Dogs went outside to use the bathroom. They're so high maintenance. They've been outside for like 10 minutes, ready to come back in. Hold on, Coco, I'm filming. I got your breakfast right here. Give me a second. But these walls were totally scuffed up. So we're gonna touch some of these up. You can see around, like some of that just needs to be wiped off, but gonna touch up the paint around the edges. So we cleaned all the baseboards. See how like those scratches at the very bottom, just to get a smaller brush and touch those up. Some of those areas. Like these walls were crazy dirty. So yeah, we all sleep on the couch. I slept on an air mattress. My son slept out here because we had his room done. My wife, we're still in quarantine, so my wife is quarantined in the room, but we're finalizing it. Like, we're really done. We just keep taking a couple extra days to make sure she's past her 10th day. She's not supposed to not be infectious. All of us tested negative, which was a blessing. So we all have just been in different parts of the house. But like, real talk, I should have took some before and after, because some of this was really gross. But see, some of the spots where we did the Coke, what's it called? The primer. This is the primer. So we got to go back in and get some of these smaller, tight areas. But the kids did all the baseboards and wiped them off. And the girls, they touched up the paint on the baseboards. So they did a really good job. We got laundry to do this morning still. Try to separate laundry so everybody can get their baskets done and get them done this weekend. But all of this, I mean, we moved everything out the way. It was scratches and scuff marks everywhere. So this was all scratched up. So the paint is doing a really good job. You can see still some white spots where we gotta, again, touch up. Get the smaller brushes and touch up. Some more areas. I'm very happy with these walls. It looks really good. Even my son's bathroom was gross. Oh, it was so horrible with all these marks and stuff on the wall. So it's like a brand new house. And then this is his room. Got the fan still going from last night. So his floor is nice and dry. But his walls look like the rest of the house looks. And this is just him being a boy. But I'm hoping we can get in here and just wipe these off and they'll look much better. But I didn't have any intentions of painting his room because I just did it in the past year. He's just so messy as a boy. I have no idea what he does sometimes to get stuff on his walls. But we took everything out of his room and deep cleaned the floors and did the baseboards. And like I said this morning, we'll just wipe the walls off and get all his stuff back in here so we can keep it moving with the rest of the house. He even touched up the washroom a little bit, which was cool. Like, these walls was all scratched up. Just repainted them. Kind of how this side looks, that just needs to be decided to be wiped off. But yeah, it was all scratched up over here. So just really happy with the job that we did. And of course, when you DIY, you just save a ton of money. So this summer, we were getting some work done in the house, and I had asked one of the painters to come in and give us a snapshot of what it would cost. And he was like, yeah, if I did one room, $600. If I did like the hallways, the kitchen, it went up to like $1,000. He had a bedroom just to give me an idea, and it was like over $1,000 something. And we went and bought the paint. The paint was $133. And bought a few supplies, $15, $20. So $150 versus $1,000. You know, you can't beat it to do it yourself. And especially if you have help with your kiddos, if they can help pitch in. So yeah, this is my morning. Got my coffee. I'm gonna try to just start off with a good day. A little cup of coffee. I'm really big on starting the day off with some prayer and meditation. So I not only read my Bible, for me personally, I'll listen to it. So just to listen to the Word of God. I mean, it's just me personally. Just starts my day off right with just some positivity, some encouragement, and then just get the day cracking. So I did that first thing this morning, and then after that, just came and made my cup of coffee and talking to y'all. So yeah, that is how the morning shall unfold. So appreciate y'all. Be encouraged whenever you're listening or watching this vlog. Again, just highlighting the highs and the lows and a little bit of in between of Real Men Get It Done, because I just felt it was time, and it's important for people to see that like it all is glitz and glamour and stuff happens behind the scenes too. It's very easy for us to just show y'all all of the positive stuff by our specific videos, specific cleaning videos, dad videos, this and that. But I was encouraged to just start documenting life and just sharing it with the community. So here it is. So till next time, peace and blessings. We'll make it done. Painting went very well. Everything's cleaned up for the most part. We're still trying to get laundry completed, but it's all good. Very happy with the turnout. Just wanted to show you guys all the baseboards. Got the window sills clean and painted. There it is. Complete turnaround from this morning when I showed y'all. Real men get it done.